Understanding, Restoring Harmony, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and use of the phrase, restoring harmony. This phrase is not just a literal combination of words but carries a deeper significance in various contexts. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a learner aiming to enhance your English, understanding such phrases can greatly enrich your communication skills. So, let's get started. To fully grasp the phrase, we need to break it down. Restoring means to bring back or return something to a former condition. Harmony, on the other hand, refers to a state of agreement, peace, or balance. When combined, restoring harmony means to return to a state of peace, balance, or agreement after a period of discord or imbalance. This phrase is often used in both personal and broader social contexts. Restoring harmony can be applied in various scenarios. Personal relationships. In the context of personal relationships, restoring harmony often involves resolving conflicts or misunderstandings to bring back peace and balance. Work environment. In a professional setting, the phrase might refer to resolving workplace disputes or creating a more balanced and cooperative work environment. Societal context. On a larger scale, restoring harmony can refer to efforts made by communities or nations to resolve conflicts, promote peace, and create a more balanced society. To illustrate, let's see some examples. 1. After a heated argument, the couple focused on restoring harmony in their relationship. 2. The new policies were aimed at restoring harmony within the fractured community. 3. In the meeting, both parties sought ways of restoring harmony and improving collaboration. This phrase is not just limited to literal use. It's often found in literature, movies, and speeches as a symbol of peace and balance. It resonates with universal values and is a powerful expression in promoting unity and understanding. Restoring harmony is a beautiful and meaningful phrase that goes beyond its literal meaning. It's about healing, reconciling, and finding a middle ground in various aspects of life. We hope this video has shed light on its depth and usage, enhancing your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.